Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Clarion Hotel and Suites here in Williston, North Dakota. We got ourselves here at ThyssenKrupp. Nice. Come on. Wow, this is nice. This is actually elevator number 2. The floor indicator is very dim. This is single floor, obviously. £3,500. It's a nice cab. We got Atoll replacements for these buttons here, and these are single floor buttons down here. Very interesting. Here we are at 1. There must be another one. Go for the buffet. Here. Yes, another elevator in this place. You have to walk through the buffet, which smells pretty good, by the way. If only if, it's right over here. Guess what? We have another ThyssenKrupp here to ride. It's locked, of course. Here's the other one now. Ooh. Interesting lighting. Alright, let's go to 3. Once again, this is 3,500 pounds capacity. What is strange, very strange lighting in this thing. Yeah, look at that. Pink lighting behind you.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah. Funny how the elevator equipment's room is right next to the elevator itself. But, yeah. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.